Black money is a recurring topic in the news. The lust for quick money finds expression in illegal activities like smuggling, terrorism, arms trafficking, etc. Black money generates out of such illicit acts. Criminals would want to conceal the origin of their ill-gotten gains. For this, they would adopt measures to conceal the information of underlying activities and the persons involved in such activities. To spend their illicit funds freely without attracting the attention of authorities, criminals would have to change their illegitimate money to legitimate money. This process of making black money appear white is called money laundering. How does the community suffer because of this hiding of the source of black money? C. Money laundering is not a victimless crime. Illegal funds fuel organized crime. It causes physical and mental trauma to the whole community at every level. A crackdown on money laundering would severely restrict the operating ability of persons involved in the organized crime. Hence, the need for a global organization to address the growing concern of money laundering. The 1989 G7 summit held in Paris led to the formation of the Financial Action Task Force. Combating terrorist financing was added to its mandate following the need felt after the September 11 terrorist attacks against the United States of America. Therefore, FATF became a global money laundering and terrorist financing watchdog. According to FATF's official website, it works to stop funding for the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction. This objective was in addition to its mandate in the year 2012. FATF sets international standards to prevent societal harm due to illegal activities. It also works to generate the necessary political will for bringing about legal, regulatory, and operational measures. Tracking illegal money, freezing its transfer, and confiscating the same would bring about integrity in the international financial system. In line with this, FATF follows illicit funds generated out of environmental crimes like waste trafficking, illegal logging, and illegal mining. The FATF Secretariat is at the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development headquarters in Paris. FATF is an intergovernmental organization. An intergovernmental organization forms when two or more sovereign regions sign a formal treaty to meet common interests. Example: United Nations, World Health Organization, International Monetary Fund, etc. FATF's decision-making body, the FATF plenary, meets 3 times per year. FATF studies money laundering trends. It monitors legislative, financial, and law enforcement activities for combating money laundering at the national and international levels. It issues standards and recommendations to combat money laundering and reports regarding their compliance. Also, it monitors the progress of implementation of its recommendations. Non-complying regimes find a place in 2 lists, the grey list and the blacklist. Blacklist is formally known as Call for Action. Presently, Islamic Republic of Iran, located in the Middle East, and the Democratic People's Republic of Korea or North Korea, located in East Asia, are placed on the blacklist. Regimes with strategic deficiencies in compliance regarding combating money laundering, terrorist financing, and financing for the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction are identified as high-risk jurisdictions and placed on the blacklist. These regimes face intense financial pressure. Grey list is formally known as other monitored jurisdictions. Regimes with weak compliance regarding combating money laundering, terrorist financing, and financing for the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction are placed on the grey list. Presently, more than 20 countries are grey listed for weak compliance or aiding terrorist or corrupt organizations. The latest addition is the Republic of Turkey, located in the Middle East. These regimes face restrictions on access to international loans. Many times, NGOs based in terror-ridden countries face severe cash crunch due to strict FATF compliance, which impacts their functioning. Currently, FATF has 38 full members, of which 36 are countries, and 2 are regional organizations, the European Commission and the Gulf Cooperation Council. Addition in the grey list has resulted in Turkey's removal from the list of full members. Associate members of FATF includes the Eurasian Group, Asia Pacific Group on Money Laundering, etc. Additionally, observer members of FATF include the United Nations, World Bank, International Monetary Fund, etc. FATF members represent the major financial centers in the world. They work in tandem with FATF to fulfill anti-money laundering objectives. Technological advancement has enabled rapid money transfer. We are witnessing innovation in the medium of exchange. Virtual currencies allow swift value transfer in any corner of the world. Fast evolving blockchain and distributed ledger technologies have radically transformed the financial landscape due to their speed, global reach, and anonymity. Since this sector lacks regulation and oversight, it is often termed the Wild West of the finance industry. Ransomware attacks are commonplace in the current scenario. Governments, private businesses, and banks suffer a massive loss because of this. Hackers encrypt computer systems and seek ransom for decryption of the hostage-held data. Hackers transfer the ransom to their crypto wallet. Then, they convert virtual assets to fiat money with the help of service providers or banks, thus receiving a regulated currency. Since it is a legal tender, they can now spend it freely. Taking note of the mounting concern, FATF is closely monitoring the rapid developments in the crypto sphere to prevent the misuse of virtual assets. FATF has issued global and binding standards which ensure similar safeguards on virtual assets as they exist for the financial sector.